In this tutorial, we will configure the Crawleo MCP Server inside Antigravity IDE. First, open your browser and go to crawl your dev sign into your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on API keys. Now, create a new API key by giving it a name. And copy this API key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. Open Antigravity IDE and press Ctrl, Alt, and B together. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of the chat window and click on MCP Servers. Now open Manage MCP Servers and click on View Raw Config. Now paste these lines of code here and change the URL to the server URL. Now paste your API key here and open the Manage MCP Servers again. Now refresh it, and now you should seek all your MCP servers connected to two tools with both enabled. Now let's test it by searching for something. And now it will search the web using Crawleo MCP. And here it is. You can see the result and the columns working in the Antigravity IDE.